How to send money with Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send money with Apple Pay. So let us begin. First, open up your settings and go to your Apple and wallet. If you don't find it, you can simply scroll down here. This is the initial settings and go to wallet. Now here, you'll need to make sure that you have turned on Apple Pay. Now there is a toggle button. It should be available in yours. Just toggle that button on. Now if you do not have added any card, you can simply add the card from here and go through the process. After you do that, simply open up your Apple Wallet. After you open up your Apple Wallet, just select a card. After you select a card, what you'll then need to do is tap on Send or Request. After you tap on Send or Request, just search for the contact that you want to send the money to, and after you search for it, type in the amount that you want to send, and after you do that, tap on Next, and then a text message will pop up. Now you'll need to send that text message, and that should basically be accepted by the person you are sending the money to. And that is basically how you send money with Apple Pay, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button too. Stay tuned for more, and